Time to submit your work. So you have finished your game, and we're now going to get it out of Construct into a website so anyone in the world can play it. So what we have to do is we have to export it out of Construct, and then we're going to upload it to a web server. And this is the process that you're going to follow. So before we do the export from Construct, we just want to double check one thing. If you click the name of the game up in the project window, you just want to double check that your start is on the correct layout. So you don't want it on game, you want it on the start. That's how you want your game to begin. Once you've done that, we're going to go up to the menu, and then we're going to go to Project, and then down here we have this button that says Export. So we click on Export, and we're going to export it as a web HTML5. So this is a format that can be played on any device, whether it's a computer, a mobile phone, even a console. This will be played anywhere. So we select Web HTML5, click Next, and we can leave all of these settings at their default. So we just go to Next. And what this will do, this will package this up into the HTML files, the JavaScript files, all the individual images and the sounds if you included those, and then it produces a zipped up file, a compressed file, and we're going to download this file here. So we click on this link, and this now goes to your downloads folder. Alright, so now we need to log into another website. This website, you'll get a link for this, but you can see here it's app.digitaltech.website. So that's where you need to go, app.digitaltech.website, and you need to log into this. This will be your first name dot last name, and your password will be provided to you by your teacher. So it is not your school password, okay, but it is your school username. Do not use your email. So we're going to log in here. Now I've got a few more files than you have, but don't worry about that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process of what you need to do. So what you need to do is you need to import your file into this. So we're going to open up this plus sign, and we're going to click on Upload. And in our Downloads folder, we have this floatup.zip, or whatever your name that you named your project. So we're going to open that, and that's uploading that individual zipped up compressed file that has all of the different things inside it. So you can see here that this is the file we have. What we need to do is we need to click on these three dots, and we're going to click on Extract here. So what that does is it takes out all of the different folders and files. So we can see here we've got a media folder that has all the images, scripts, we have JavaScript in there, and the final thing that you're looking for is that index.html. Once you see that, you know that everything is there. From there we can now play that game anywhere in the world on any device. So to get to that, we go to app.digitaltech.website /data/ your username /files. Now if you put it in a folder, then you'll need to type that folder as well, but if you just placed it in the root directory, which is the home directory, it will just load. So we're just waiting for these files to load up right now. So the first time you play this, may be a little bit slow to load. Depends on how many files are in there. Now for your submission, it's actually, this is the link. This link right here. So you would copy this link. That's the link you're going to submit in Teams, because the teacher needs to play your game. And you can double check that your game works. And indeed, that game does indeed work.